Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video I will introduce you our disc tools. The body of the disc tools are usually made of iron or steel, and at the tip of the tool there is a diamond for cutting the jewelry product. You can see the sizes of our disc tool on the body of the tool engraved. 80 mm is the size of my disc diameter, 10 mm is the hole size, 1.5 mm is the thickness of the disc, 1.2 mm is the diamond size, and 130 degree is the degree of my diamonds. And of course you can see our Bulunmaz brand and the serial number of the disc engraved on the tool body. We have plenty of different disc tools. You can combine different sizes, different angles, and of course different settings on your machine and get a different design on the balls and beads with your ball cutting machine. For this video I choose a few of our most popular disc tools and I will run and demonstrate for you on our Bulunmaz Fireball balls and beads cutting machine. My first tool is already set in the machine. It's 1mm 180 tool. I will show you two different designs, full cutting and then side cutting, so you can get a little bit idea how the disc tools work on balls and beads decoration machine. I got few samples which I made with 1mm 180, the flat tool. You can see two different types of samples here. So with combining how many cuts, how far they will be from each other, and of course the type of the tool, the degree of the tool, you can get all different designs. Here you can see the flat cuts, they are shining really a lot. The shine is very important on this kind of product, so make sure that your tool is from a good manufacturer. Of course we supply the best quality of diamonds, best quality of service, but wherever you get your tool from, you must be careful about the shine. And if you have any questions, you can always ask to our sales team and technical team for your questions. Now it's time to change my tool and use another tool so you can see the difference between the tools even with the same settings. I will use a 1mm 120 degree tool, that's a degree tool, so the cut will be deep and we will get a crystal shine effect on our ball. Now it's time to change my tool and use another tool so you can see the difference between the tools even with the same settings. I will use a 1mm 120 degree tool, that's a degree tool, so the cut will be deep and we will get a crystal shine effect on our balls. For changing the disc tool you have to turn the disc at opposite direction so you can easily unscrew the tool. Then you just unscrew, take out our disc tool, put new one, screw, and after doing that there are several settings you have to make the machine ready to be working. You know, Bulunmaz is a company originated from diamond tool manufacturing for many years, almost 40 years we are in this business. That's why we have really good experience about these kind of tools. We produce, of course, start with a Pazalux diamond tools for different machines, produce hand tools, flywheel tools, lathe tools, chain tools, and CNC tools even, and these tools are one part of our product line. So we are using the best diamonds. Depending on the application, we use MCD diamond, natural diamond, CVD diamond, and there are different varieties of diamonds we are using in our tools. And of course we have different degrees with different angles, different type of bodies on disc tools with different hole size, different tool size. All these combinations, just come to our company, talk with our sales guys or technical guys. We will give you much more information about how many variations you can have for your disc tools. We made multi-cuts with the 180mm tool. I will just change the settings and let's see the new setting, how it will affect. Yeah, it's ready. Exactly the same tool, new settings, we will get a little bit different models. So we just changed our tool, all the necessary settings done on the computer and buff mechanically. The model is preset and it's ready to run. Now we can start the operation, and so you can see the difference between different tool models. As you see, you can combine different tools, different settings, different degree and the size of the diamond, and get different engraving on different beads and balls with our disc tools. So just have a look at our website www.bulunmaz.com. On the disc tools page you can see all the technical details, and you can even order your tools today. Please subscribe our Bulunmaz YouTube channel, because when we have new tools, new products, we are shooting new videos, so you can keep updated about our products and learn more about how to work on different jewelry pieces, how to work with our new tools. And beside our disc tools, if you want to learn more about our Fireball CNC machine, you can also have a look at our website, or you can contact our salespeople, technical people, and learn more about this beautiful machine. That's also a Bulunmaz CNC machine, especially produced for balls and beads decoration. Thank you very much for your time. I hope to see you in the next videos. See you again.